Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, July the 8th, 2025. Surprisingly good day for Asia Pacific markets, even as Donald Trump has started slapping tariffs on countries that will take effect from August the 1st now instead of July the 9th. KSE100 index is in green too, but only 33 points, and it formed a red candle, a spinning top, in a day overflowing with instructive analysis. So let's quickly take a look at what's really happened. So let's run through this quickly. There's a lot to unpack here. First, notice there's a 33-point gain, but there's a red candle. Once again, this means that the market gapped up at the open, but then there was some sort of profit taking, some sort of correction, which is very okay, very normal at such unprecedented, uncharted heights. And this happened on pretty solid volume also, you can notice over here. Remember, yesterday I said that the market would now probably retest, probably rebound and take a breather at some psychological level or a Fibonacci level. So take a look at this now, 134200 the high. That's a round number, that's as psychological as it gets. So 1 point was right, spot on. Let's go a little further. Despite today's recheck of sorts, ADX is still 2493, which means the uptrend is still very strong, still intact. Notice also, this is what is called a reverse channel. A friend technical analysis who use Wyckoff analysis a lot would be very familiar with this. In this, instead of the lower 2 points in an uptrend, you join the upper two trends and then 1 point at the lower range, and then make a reverse channel. So this is a reverse channel. You can see that this tests the upper end more realistically than the other channel that you can try. Now let's see, more interestingly, what happens with a Fibonacci analysis. Now this is a very simple, very textbook, very straightforward, the easiest form of Fibonacci analysis, which is retracement and extension. Now the textbook says that if price retraces to the 61.8% level, then it should, often it does, bounce back and then retest somewhere around the 1.618 extension, which it did exactly over here. Notice yesterday that formed the resistance. The market did break it a bit, then came down again. Today, it formed support. Very telling. But here's the interesting part. If we add a level, a dynamic level, 1.7, which is not a regular Fibonacci ratio, you can see how closely it aligns with the market top today. Now, 1.7 again is not a typical Fibonacci ratio number, but it is used in technical analysis, especially in quant analysis, because it is called adaptive analysis. This 1.786 and even 2 are very popular secondary extension levels among professional quants especially. So once we brought this into the equation, we saw once again that the market not only respected a psychological level over here, it also respected over here, the 1.618 Fibonacci level, and then a slight extension which can be adapted for analysis. And we can also look at this level in the future for reference to support and resistance. So the market, once again, is following geometry. It is following technical analysis. And while there's no way of predicting it, there is a way of understanding it. Now, looking at it this way, today's red candle, a spinning top also shows that the market is now thinking. It could be a short-term reversal, which is in many varieties of Japanese candlestick charting. It could also form a red candle tomorrow, or it could jump off again from this level. Notice how it is caught between these two levels. But the telling fact would be a break above this 134,200 with strong volume. That would open the level for further Fibonacci extensions, 1.786 or even 2 especially. So we'll be looking at very closely what happens over here. For now, there is a strong trend in the market. There is very strong momentum in the market. It may be right now, could be making another higher low from here, which is very normal considering there has to be some profit taking somewhere. And these are very strong technical levels. It aligns with this reverse channel, aligns with the top, aligns with Fibonacci levels also. So now we'll look for the break as and when it comes. So stay tuned. Thank you.